Kick things off. Kick things off. Japan kicked things off well. The tournament kicks off tonight. Kick things off. Get the ball rolling. Get the ball rolling. An early goal got the ball rolling. Japan got the ball rolling fast. Get the ball rolling. Go all out. Go all out. Japan went all out for a winner. They went all out in extra time. Go all out. Be under pressure. Be under pressure. The keeper was under pressure all game. Japan were under pressure late on. Be under pressure. Step up. Step up. Their captain stepped up in the final. A star has to step up now. Step up. Make a comeback. Make a comeback. Japan made a stunning comeback. They made a comeback from 2-0 down. Make a comeback. Turn things around. Turn things around. The sub turned the game around. Japan turned things around after halftime. Turn things around. Play it safe. Play it safe. They played it safe with the lead. No need to play it safe now. Play it safe. Make things happen. Make things happen. Hubo can make things happen. A real star makes things happen. Make things happen. Come through. Come through. The striker came through in the clutch. Japan came through under pressure. Come through. Handle the pressure. Handle the pressure. He handled the penalty pressure. The young squad handled the pressure. Handle the pressure. Shift the momentum. Shift the momentum. That goal shifted the momentum. The red card shifted the momentum. Shift the momentum. Stay in the game. Stay in the game. Japan stayed in the game till the end. One goal keeps us in the game. Stay in the game. Capitalize on a chance. Capitalize on a chance. Japan capitalized on a rare chance. You must capitalize on set pieces. Capitalize on a chance. Dig deep. Dig deep. Japan dug deep to win. We need to dig deep now. Dig deep. Weather the storm. Weather the storm. Japan weathered the storm and held on. They weathered an early storm. Weather the storm. Call the shots. Call the shots. The manager calls the shots. Moriyasu calls the shots for Japan. Call the shots. Be on the back foot. Be on the back foot. Japan were on the back foot early. The red card put them on the back foot. Be on the back foot. Get over the line. Get over the line. Japan got over the line 1-0. They just got over the line. Get over the line. Stay in contention. Stay in contention. A draw keeps Japan in contention. They're still in contention for top spot. Stay in contention. Level the playing field. Level the playing field. The red card leveled the playing field. The rain leveled the playing field. Level the playing field. Move the goalposts. Move the goalposts. VAR shouldn't move the goalposts. Don't move the goalposts mid-tournament. Move the goalposts. Hold your nerve. Hold your nerve. He held his nerve in the shootout. Japan held their nerve late on. Hold your nerve. Let things slip. Let things slip. Japan let a 2-goal lead slip. Don't let it slip in stoppage time. Let things slip. Set someone up. Set someone up. Maitoma set up the winning goal. He set his teammate up nicely. Set someone up. Hold the line. Hold the line. The defense held the line. Japan held the line under pressure. Hold the line. Park the bus. Park the bus. They parked the bus to protect the lead. Japan won't just park the bus. Park the bus. See how things unfold. See how things unfold. Let's see how the group unfolds. We'll see how the match unfolds. See how things unfold. Put in a shift. Put in a shift. Every player put in a shift. He put in a real shift up front. Put in a shift. Punch above your weight. Punch above your weight. Japan punched above their weight. The underdogs punched above their weight. Punch above your weight.